Guys, this is Casper, and this is put this on the internet. This is from For Minnie Gone Crazy. Minnie, do you have a driver's license? Minnie, do you have to go to the bathroom?
Minnie, are you gonna vote for the next president? Minnie.
Hey, Minnie, do you poop in your pants?
Minnie, do you like to eat cucumbers?
Minnie, do you love cucumbers and forks and spoons?
Minnie, are you afraid of spoons?
Minnie, did you ever pee your pants?